Integration in logical learning.
Chapter 1 Food Processing Technique ISC Class 12 by Riya. What is food processing? Food is anything that is edible and made up of essential nutrients. Food processing is basically the transformation of raw ingredients in different new forms that helps to deliver the best out of a food. Sun drying, freezing, fermentation, cooking, etc. are some kind of food processing we are very much familiar with. So let's talk about cooking. Cooking. There is a proverb that God sends the meat and devil sends the cook. Apparently it seems that cooking always is harmful. It decreases the nutritional quality of food items. Is it really so? Why cooking is important? Cooking is one of the best method of food preparation. Food preparation helps in combining many food ingredients in various ways with delicate flavors, textures and color which appeals to the senses. Cooking makes foods easier to digest and absorption of nutrients gets enhanced. Now let's talk about the objective of cooking. Physiological, it includes rapid digestion. Then the aspects of cooking can be of two types. Microbiological, which gives destruction of the microorganism of raw food, and nutritional, which is it increases the availability of nutrients, concentrates the nutrients in food, and also increases the antioxidant value. And last, the psychological values. It increases the food consumption by adding variety to the diet, and it also improves the taste and the quality of food. Now the improvement of taste and food quality. Cooking improves the natural flavor and the texture of food. For instance, the flavor and aroma of coffee entirely depends upon the extent of roasting. Cooking meat with spices enhances its palatability. Raw pasta is boiled to smoothen its texture, so as in the case of rice. Increasing variety to the daily diet. By cooking, some food can be made into different dishes that adds variety to the daily diet and reduces the monotony. You can also cook sometimes pulao or biryani or mixed fried rice etc. rather than having plain rice every day. Now the destruction of the microorganism. One of the most important method of protecting food against the harmful microorganism is by application of heat. As we know, pasteurization is necessary for milk to destruct all its pathogenic organisms. At household level, blanching is a commonly adopted process to minimize the microbial load of raw food items. Thus, cooking at proper temperature for proper time actually safeguards the consumers. Increasing digestibility. Cooking softens the connective tissue of meat. It softens the coarse fiber of cereals, pulses, and other vegetables. Cooking opens up the food matrices, thereby softening the texture. Dry heat application on starch converts it into more digestible form, dextrin. That's why toasted bread is better digested than raw. Cooking also increases the access of GI enzymes to food, accelerating the digestion process. Now the enhancement of the bioavailability of the nutrients. Cooking also enhances the bioavailability of the nutrients, inhibiting the effects of anti-nutritional factors. For instance, raw egg contains avidin, which binds the biotin vitamin, making it unavailable, but boiling destructs the avidin, thereby making biotin free. Trypsin inhibitors in soybean, BOA, toxic constituent of kesari dal, all may be removed upon the application of heat by means of blanching. Concentration of nutrients. Some nutrients present in food is found being more concentrated experimentally. This may be due to the removal of moisture or the combinations of food. For instance, cooking rice and pulse together in form of khichdi increases its nutritional value by supplementing each other's deficiency. Amino acid lysine is deficient in rice and pulses are deficient in methionine. Increases the antioxidant value of food. Experimentally, it is found that the antioxidant value of the certain nutrients gets elevated by cooking. Lycopene, the active component of tomato, is more readily absorbed from cooked tomatoes compared to the raw ones. The other sides of cooking. Limitations of cooking in general. Heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin B1, thiamin, is lost during cooking. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B, C, gets leached away during washing, a preparatory phase of cooking. Vitamin A and vitamin C content may be reduced due to the oxidation as well as heat. Protein denaturation is common in prolonged heating, for which it is said that boiled egg is more nutritious than the fried egg or omelette, etc. Thank you students for watching this video.